I'm going to be dyeing my hair blue, pink and purple today, if it works. I'm using the Directions hair dye because last time I used Bleach London and it didn't work, so we'll see if this works. And I'm going to mix it with conditioner to make it paler, like pastel coloured. I've got carnation pink Directions, lavender, Atlantic blue, and I've also got a little bit of, I don't remember, I think this is called turquoise or something. I'm going to be mixing in here and we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to do all different strands, like different colours, and don't know, see what it looks like afterwards.